Manipur VDF Employees Welfare Association with indefinite strike masala leisara jaira. Person with disabilities pingli banking service sampanga sakavai peng pingli jiza kami shokaira. Lekhyang tor aja Tangkhul Express TV pau Ringyaophi Ningshen in a pamidale. Pau ping may saina nang rumsa. All Manipur VDF Employees Welfare Association with indefinite gun down, pen down strike masala leisara jaira. Association jinakapo shorkar na makami wivang strike ji aya pay tarik akha Tangkhul lui urada legasana. Ka police department with senior officials being zangda high level gazipam ka highway tili strike ji masala leisara gaji twitter ka queen the association jina press chan pao shoka. IT party shooter gazip ji Inspector General of Police IGP Zone 1 Tempting Ngshangvu IBS Nathanda DIG Headquarters PHQ as Kodam IBS Kala Imphal West Imphal East Bishnupur Thopal with DIG Ping Superintendent of Police Kala VDF Minginin Ping Kangasan Jili Zanga VDF Personal Ping with Krivians Yang Sang Mikavai Kachang Hiwitai Thra Malangrang Lakha Dedicated Committee Semra Kachi Mayahiram Kala Atuna Kabo Maramji TGB Manipur we Mangai na Governor de formal representation Misangra Gachi Ngazek Haira VDF pay structurally Kangache Rakvai skilled labor minimum wage parity Kala VDF personal with servicely Machut Kami Kaya Kami Hi Board Association Jina Shorkadi Ngawlu Shitaira Person with disabilities pingli banking service sampanga sakavai peng pingli jizakami shokhaira. State Commissioner for Persons with Disabilities Manipur na stately khale banking service accessibility maramli kangasun so modu case kwirahairachi. Right of Person with Disabilities Act 2016 with Section 82 li paisinda Manipuri kasho bank psychoroli RPI or IPA accessibilities norm shurkafai jizami haira. Banking service physical infrastructure kala digital platform sangda service cycle person with disabilities li accessible sangasak palungra. Physical accessibility li kasa kale branch pingli ground floor maningaka barrier free accessible area pamli essential banking service sampangasakavai responsible officials designate Sapalungra. Kala Chili Ngajon Kavai staff assistants Mi Palungra. Upper floor Makakarer Maningaka non-compliance with Vangina person with disabilities kala senior citizens being banking service Masam Kapang Bina grievance support Sakavai Hanghaira. Grievances to Office of the State Commissioner for Persons with Disabilities Manipur contact number 8131947029 Maningaka 8794563238 Maningaka 70056154457 Kala 600934712 li Hangwa Pairam. Chanpahi State Commissioner for Persons with Disabilities W. Birahari Singh na Mishoka. Tangkhul Shinaw akali physical kala sexual abuse kasa shokhawa kachi maramli Tangkhul woman hoho nagalan na makamya pang shokaira. Itum na taibay Tangkhul Shinaw aka nganui laka nagalan li shimkur or tay sawili wakabamli physical kala sexual abuse shokhawa da hangam. Maram hi Shinaw Virgin a social media platform di Pongshoka. Maram hili mik zang mida otshot or otsak chili makamya kala condemn kasa nakalan with Tangkhul woman hoho na kapishoka. Otsak chi kashong karang mang maningla itung society with fabrically violate kasa Shinawe kayali zakshila kahai assault kasa collective humanity offensive kasa otsak na nagalan with Tangkhul Shinaw hoho na hanga. Mikumo Kaya Juho Kahai, Mi Ping Nagasa Moral Decay, Kajite Otsak Nadahang Sang. Community with Moral Compass, Mayon Kami, Nagaland Likale, Tangkhul Shinausan, Akon Akaina, Zakshila Kahai Otsak Chili, Makamia Jitaida, Naning the Legaji Pongshoka. Jigata trauma, Napangda, Pinglak Ina, Pong Shock testimony Jina, Shinausan Walungli, Kale, Yang Pongshop Jitaya the Hoho Jina, Hanga. Kajot Kajang, Kapung Jili, Namang Maning Mana, Hoho Jina, Nasoda, Naning the Legaji Hang Sanga. Kasaina Kakapam Cultural Hili, Confront Kasasa, Itume, Shinawgala now Shinaw Bingli, Ngakmisa. Kayagala safety hi privilege, Maningla, Mikumo Kachivuwe, Mashun, Kangasa Society, Sam Kavai, Commitment Misa the Hohojina, Katonghaira. Jigata Zakashi, Adrocreus, Abominable, Monstrous, Otsak Chili, Tangkhul Woman Hoho, Nagalena, Nusungda, Naning the Legaji Hanghaira. Normal Sikala administrative functionality quick agitator Machi subdivision headquarters li Meite government staff being official Otngarut Kwipok Lushitaira. Kanga Chehi Technopol District with Deputy Commissioner Kala Machi subdivisional officer with Hot Kanaina Karana the Hanga. Manipur to short rod kamra to in office Otngarut Juhoda Rahaira Sada regular governance kala civil operation likahab lehaira sayechi. Proactive engagement kala coordination mathata sakami wivang machi subdivision tuiram nauping district administration li mayakangai pongshokaira da IT pau sampanga. Manipur with district nadatayda sada kale eviction drive che kakchung district lila kwika ura dale. Deputy Commissioner Rohit Anand na yari notification kashokli public roads kala yari apamli encroach asada kale unauthorized structure saikoro paita kawai jizakami shokhaira. Jizakami ji illegal extensions na traffic li kahap kala safety hazards layeda complaint taraka raka highway tili kashok na ji. Manipur Land Revenue and Land Reforms Act 1960 kala Public Premise Eviction of Unauthorized Occupants Act 1971 paisin the Deputy Commissioner na atam Redmi Haira. Encroachment Saikoro pay direct t-shirt ngashun pongkatum ay natangda walungli tuikavay hang Haira. Jizakamiji National ina State Highways Inter-district kala inter-village shongfu kala footpaths li kale unauthorized structure saikoro li kahangna. Jizikami hili magushur pingle banal action kuira. Kala police aina concerned departments we kangachon kuilaka eviction aina demolitions sahara kaji hangmatin haira. Manipur li thai kagaza Senapati district li thai kui haira. District Chili Me Tradaka missile positive Shokhaira the health official na hanga. Confirmed case chi Council River Colony Piamai Vabu DNK Gate Yabao Colony TV School Road to MEC Fro Kala Mount Everest Abumping Hili Kashokna. Health authorities na kahang Tega Gaza Thada Kale Me Trada Jishat test result na rightly. Confirmed case Trada Aka Wingajaili Tarava vaccine Makakaping Naji. Sajada Kale Abumping rapid survey vada routine immunization li cap Kale Tekuyagaji district official na hangam. Coordinated action plan Semkavai district administration na multi stakeholders kazip makokmi hairam. Tega Gazaji, Maman Kavai, vaccination outreach Maling Me Kavai, Kala, vaccine Makap Kangai, Kaleli, Yang Sang Mi Kavai, Saraji. Te outbreak Ji vaccined Makap Kangai Hina Kamataya Maram Akana the official na Hangda Atam Jada immunization quick Kavai, Kasataira. Imphali Rumida Kale, Duran Gab. Group F match kakani aya Indian Navy ina Real Kashmir FC ngarew hairam. Indian Navy na Real Kashmir FC Lankai kani aka ina yukui hairam. Indian Navy with goal ji katuruga minute li Vijay Marantina zangala minute hangshini li Shriyas Vijay zangan. Lakashong Real Kashmir FC with Frank William Segnond na hang truk ta kamate minute li tajang Durand Cup Imphali Kangreoli Dura FC Niroga FC Indian Navy football team gala Real Kashmir FC pingin zanga taik thumra thang local rivals Dura FC na Niroga FC na ngareuda draw ina kupsang hairam Draw FC na Real Kashmir FC na pay madi thang ngareura Niroga FC na Indian Navy football team na pay shini thang ngareura Niroga FC na Real Kashmir FC tag tra thang ngareula group stage lidrog FC na Indian Navy football team pay tag tra da khani thang kupsangra Northeast India with organic farming sector mga kawajitaida Meghalaya we in a Dubai League home Chishokhaira Meghalaya we in organic home metric tons kani ajahon taig tumrada akathang jihoshok khaira Kalachi Manipur Middle East Foodstuff Trading SPS LLC na samida Assam Airport we in a jihomi haira General Secretary Media Manipur People's Party MPP Arampant Karamjit Singh na kahang Initiative G Agriculture and Horticulture Department of Assam kala Achmand UAE Likale Manipur Middle East Foodstuff Trading Company na ngashikda kasana kala G Mostaqim Hussain Assistant Nodal Officer na felicitate Samiaji Pegar Chili Assam Gana Barishat with President Abdul Bora, Minister of Agriculture and Horticulture Department of Government of Assam Kala S. Projan Singh, Manipur People's Party President Nalakatomiachi. Kehom Ji Meghalaya with farmers being Wena Kakwina, Kala Rakara Haptali, Manipur in Assam Wena la Johosho Haura da Layachi. International Standard Kashung Kawai APDA Kata Certification Authorities Kala Phytosanitary Officials na Dispatch Process Ji Yangsang Miyaji Business Development Manager Overseas of Manipur Middle East Staff Trading SPS LLC Kala Manipur People's Party members na kahang Government of India with Mission Organic Value Chain Development for Northeastern Region we Azingli Organic Produce Hub Assam li Shora Dale Hub China Organic Farmers being likadomida atumwi Shom Shirin Langanon va Shung Kamili Ngajon Mira da Hangam Dubai li Jehovah Gahai ke Homji Aya Vashung Haidara Organic Farming Networks Maling May Kawai Kala farmers being with income Mathamay Kawai Northeastern States Psychorally Organic Vegetable Mandis Semi Kawai Ningrin Leida Leida Hanga Taekwondo Academy Ukrul we Lucky Draw Result Shokhaira Lucky Draw Ji Marangtaik Tumrada Katang Town Hall Ukrul District Headquarters Lake Kasana Lucky winners being first prize serial number 0776 CPT Wizwa Chasami Village, second prize serial number 0402 Heishnamd Rotond Kumar Segarot Kwairakpam Laikai Imphal West, third prize serial number 0498 Shem Lunglang Kamasom Village, fourth prize serial number 1852 Ningre Shung N Hungyo Shungri Shorde Village Hiping Hina. Winners Corona Prize Chishat Kami Wina Zimik Show Trada Pangawe Lungli Kwikavai Adam Midale. Claim Kasali valid identification Kala winning ticket Singra Kavai Hanga. Academy Katom Kami participants Kala well wishers Psychoroli Ningashi Pongshok the Lekaji Kaping Shang Pinao Coach Degundo Academy Ukrulna Pao Mishoka. Let Luida Achiwi Kamtaya Pao Ping. All Manipur VTF Employees Welfare Association with indefinite strike masala lays haraji haira. Person with disabilities pingli banking service sampanga sakavai peng pingli zizakami shokaira. Aji we pao hilinga janghaira pao nada klina tum sai korali ringapha kala khamhai zimikshong saseranu.